Introducing the Hoover Turbo Power high-performance vacuum cleaner, for when reach means everything. Simply plug in and the long 12-meter cord allows you to go room to room without unplugging. And vacuuming your stairs couldn't be simpler with the 13-stair stretch hose. The Parquet Caress brush delicately lifts dirt and debris from your wood and laminate floors. With 4 onboard tools, simply attach the 4.5-meter stretch hose to reach those hard-to-clean places for all your cleaning needs. Multi-cyclonic, no loss of suction, and Hoover's advanced airflow technology combine to deliver independently tested outstanding cleaning performance. The powerful Pet Turbo tool loosens and lifts stubborn pet hair. Introducing the Hoover Turbo Power, high-performance cleaning with exceptional reach.